And in today's video, Tronsmart Sounfii Q20S hybrid active noise cancellated wireless headphones with high-res audio. Travel, sport, commute. And on the back we have noise cancellation, crystal clear calls, dual audio mode, input for the high-res audio, 60 hours of playtime, ergonomic and comfort. And there's also an app. We're gonna check that. That's black and white color. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Okay, we do have some movement. The cushions are soft, nice. Okay. We also have a cushion on the top for your head. We have a lot of buttons, I guess. Let me just zoom in. There you go. I'm a bit more. Let me make it a bit more brighter. Oh, there you go. So we do have a power button, volume up and down, headphone jack, USB Type-C, microphone, and ANC. All right. A bit too bright. In the box, you will find a headphone jack, USB Type-A to C, manual, poison for the trolls, and a warranty card. There's also an app, so you can connect your headphones. All right. What else do we have? We have all kinds of equalizer options. You can customize it by yourself. What else do we have? ANC power. How cool is that? Find me such a feature in any other headphones. Transparency mode and normal mode. And on. Wow! Now that is very impressive. It reminds me of Sony headphones, which are like... Wait, this microphone is quite big. They have a better one. It reminds me... Very expensive Sony headphones. Wow. Alright, let's turn up some music! Oh, very good bass. Awesome highs! But the mids are a little bit on the back. Conclusion! Great! In this price range, you will not get anything better.